Hi everyone, Привет, I'm Ira. I speak Russian, I teach Russian, and today I'm going to teach you the Russian alphabet. Well, at least some of it. And I would like to start with vowels. Do you know what vowels are? I guess you can find vowels in every language. Vowels are used to link consonants. They are used to create syllables. It's a very important part of every alphabet. So vowels are sounds which you make only with the help of your voice cords. You don't use your tongue. You don't touch with your tongue, your lips or your teeth. You just use your vocals. So examples of English vowels would be A, U, O, E, and others. And if you Google English vowels, you'll get this. There are 6 vowel letters in the English alphabet. A, E, I, O, U, Y. Or 5, if Y is regarded as a consonant. The letter Y can represent a consonant. So what is a consonant? To make a consonant sound, you do need to use your tongue to touch your lips and teeth. Okay, so as I said, vowels link consonants. So if you get a syllable consists of both consonants and vowels. They both can't do without each other. Examples of English consonant sounds and letters would be P, T, G, D, and others. So every alphabet consists of both vowels and consonants. In English alphabet, there are 6 vowels and 20 consonants because totally there are 26 letters in English alphabet. In the Russian alphabet, there are more letters. There are 33 letters total. Yeah, it's much more than in English alphabet, but it's okay. We'll take step by step and we will learn really fast. And today we'll do the vowels and not all 10. And yeah, by the way, there are 10 vowels in Russian alphabet. We'll not cover all 10 in this video. We'll start with the first 5. Okay, so the very first letter of Russian alphabet is just like in English, A. But in English alphabet it's A, yeah? Here it is A. It looks exactly the same but pronounced in a different way. A. Like in the word father. A. Father. Please do repeat after me. This way you'll learn faster. A. Also far. Almost same sound. A. Far. A. Next goes O, like double O in the words mood or food. O. It looks like English Y though, but you have to memorize O. Okay, then next goes E. It's a very wide sound. Wide. You have to open your mouth. Like when you're thinking, Back, it would be an example of English word, and lack. I hope you're writing. It's better if you write it down. Next is O, which looks like English O. Sounds almost the same, but there's no U in the end. It's a straight sound. O. Just O. Like in English words, bought, past form of buy, yeah, bought, or thought, thought, past form, second form of think. O. Repeat. Yeah, and the last is U, which is quite difficult, but you'll get to it. You'll learn it. It looks like English B and a line. U. To pronounce it, you have to show your lower teeth, shift, like push your jaw forward, lower jaw, and show your lower teeth. Make a smile and say U, like in the words sick, or thick. Yeah, you just show a little smile and push your jaw forward and show your lower teeth. Ooh, ooh. Okay, let's go again. Ah, ooh, eh, o, ooh. Great. I hope you'll practice more. You just have to say it out, call the letters out. See how I did it for my students in my book, which is I Speak Russian. I made the outlined letters to show how to write them step by step, and I made some lines to practice so my students could practice in the book. But you could do the same in your copybook, but I advise to write more than 3 lines. Here you can see only 3 lines. You could write half of the page if you need it or more. And also, to practice, you can make cards. Just write each letter on each card and shuffle them and pick them and name a letter which you see on the card. Shuffle again and then pick them, name them, call them out until you've learned them, until you've known them so well and that you can just recognize it very fast. It's a nice game. It's a very helpful exercise. So if you do it, you'll be great. You'll be using language in no time. Okay. So now we'll learn how to write them. Also, I hope you're writing it, and you'll practice later. So A looks like English A. There's no need to practice writing it. Just you need to memorize to pronounce it. A. Yeah. Capital and lowercase look the same, just like English A. Then U looks like English Y. Also easy, lowercase Y, but it's U in Russian, yeah? Next, just practice, you know, you have to write it and say it. Write it and say it, U. Then write again and again say it, U. So that you memorize that it's not Y anymore, it's U. Okay. Then next is E. E is a semicircle and a line which breaks it in 2 halves. Easy. A semicircle, like a moon. Sorry, it's going to be ugly because I'm using the mouse. I think that your letters on the paper with the pen look much prettier. Okay, E. And the lowercase E. Okay, practice some more. You can practice after the video without any hurry. Next is O. Sorry, ugly. I'll try again. O. And the lowercase O. Easy. Okay, and the last one is, okay, U. U looks like English lowercase b and a line. See, B and a line. Okay, lowercase looks the same. B and a line. Okay, practice more. Just get your hand to get used to it, to write each letter. Okay, and then let's see, just I will point at a letter and you have to name it. Just try to name it. Let's try to memorize them. Memorize how they look and what they sound. Okay, are you ready? What is this? E. And this? A. And this? U. And then? U. And the last? O. This way you have to play with your cards. Okay, so practice, please, do some writing, do this cards game, and see you in the next video where I will show you the last 5 vowels. Okay, subscribe, hit the thumbs, and спасибо, see ya, пока.